Right, you may be thinking, why am I showing you this hole? First of all, welcome, and this is basically a review of a demolition hammer. So the problem I'm trying to show you first is I'm trying to put a fence on my old fence there, and I put a couple of new ones on this side. You can see it's a building site already. So problem I'm finding is I need to put a post right here, and there it originally was a post inside, and I've had issues of trying to get this out, try and dig around, and I don't know how deep it is, but it's a very big one here. So you can see it's concrete all the way around, and I've tried my previous sort of hammer drill, and I'll show you which one that is now. So this is my hammer drill. I've tried this, and it didn't really do the job. It wasn't up to the job. There, I need to get that concrete post out completely. You can see with my normal hammer drill, I managed to dig a little hole there and a little one there, trying to break into pieces, but it's not working. So I'm going to show you what I've bought. Alright, first of all, let's get on with the unboxing. I'll show you what it is. It's 15 kg in weight, roughly. So this is it, guys. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's Einhell 1600 watt demolition hammer. Now you can see very well packaged. This is the unboxing part, and we'll demonstrate to you how it works afterwards. So just in a picture to show you, this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh dear, it's got 3 meters cable, which is quite good. Power 40 by 15 kg to get SSD. So you can see all this stuff there. The model is TCHD43. Now it cost me $119.99 from Toolstation, and that was the last one that was available near local to me. Okay, so I'm not sure of the cable itself. It's showing a different sort of picture here. I'm hoping it's not the European style, but anyway, let's have a look and see what it's like inside. Let's lot of weight. Look at this. Comes off. Comes off. Okay. Positive side. It is a UK plug. You can see. Got your instructions. It is brand new, and it comes with the tools to change the heads, SSD wheel heads. And this is big. You can see size of my hand. I'll do the measurement of this is 41 centimeters. This is 41 centimeters. And it also comes with a chisel shaped one, which is about another 41 centimeters. So this is heavy duty. This is exactly what I need to get that concrete post out. I think I'll probably use this first to break it down a bit and wedge that in afterwards. So put this back in. Oh. Okay. Goes in, it should go into the one. Anyway, check this out. Right, so let's take this out. It is heavy. Oh, this is heavy. You can tell this is heavy. Okay. Right, first thing to do, let's get it all connected all up. So I'm going to need this. I'm going to take this off first. Get the instruction out. Just need to look at to see how to connect it up. Put this down. The box seems very secure, which is a good thing. It's quite light. Put it here for a second. Right. Just to get the instruction out to see how it looks. How to go together. It's all written on here. I don't know why that is. So there'll be some pictures. That would have been really helpful, wouldn't it? Some pictures, and I'm hoping there are some pictures. No, that's all there is. No pictures. Just double check. Oh, there's pictures here. Okay. So what he's telling me to do? One. Right, so. Okay, so we're going to use one of these. You can see inside the little notch here, so I'm assuming you go into the notch like this, so, and then there you go. Just lock this side. So just turn that once. So you pull, get this out, the notch here goes in, pull, turn it around, and it's stuck in there. So next thing to do, tighten this as much as I can. We'll show you how it works. So it's heavy. Might need some earmuffs as well. I'll put that on in a second. So what I've got now is I've got it all connected up, all plugged in. It's ready. You can see it's in there. Wow. Just how it works. Let's see now. Wow, that's so good. Cracking them up. It's cracking them up very nicely. It did much better job than the other hammer drill, which is good for what it was, but this just cracks all the concrete up much easier. Drag in the center. This is a good demonstration just to show you how good this is, considering my other one just wouldn't even go through it. Just turn it. Should have put the gloves on, shouldn't I? I'll get your hand dirty when you don't need to. So. Nicely. It made it much easier to get these out now. I mean, pieces come in nicely. So last piece. Try on that side next. Problem is, when it does go in, it's hard to get them out. Anyway, I'll get on with this. It's never always going to be easy, but the tool just makes it a bit easier. So this is Einhell Demolition drill. There's so many different names for those, but Tool Station calls it demolition, concrete demolition or something like that. So I do recommend it. The best thing is, for just a normal household DIY, you can always sell it off, and I got it for a brilliant price for £119. Normally they're about £150 in all the other shops, and this will do the job just right. So it is highly recommended, and I recommend to anybody who is interested in doing a bit of DIY with some heavy duty tools. Right, just to show you how simple a good tool makes it. Well, this is the rubble that came out from this hole that's about 2 foot down. So the post is going to go all the way from there. I mean, the fence is going to go all the way from there to there. So it is worth having a good tool for a job like this, and I highly do recommend this. Hopefully, I mean, it's not going to get a heavy use out of it because it's only for household, but I'm sure it is a bit of an industrial size, so it should last longer. So I can't vouch for the reliability of how long it's going to last, but so far tools like this are made to last because they have to be quite heavy duty because of the heavy hammers and how strong it is. It is about 15 kg, so you need a bit of strength. Apart from that, this would have taken me probably a day to dig around slowly, bigger hole, instead of breaking it down like this. So considering that I tried to use this before, I highly recommend this one. And as I said, for £100 or a bit more, it's way worth investing in something like this. As I said, you can always sell them off for another £100, because normally this price of this is about 150. Thank you very much for watching. As of when I can, I hope to bring some more tools and other items to show you and demonstrate to you how they work, and I hope this is helpful to you. Take care now.